Welcome back, food lovers! For those new to my channel, I'm Adnana and this is my mouth-watering world where I post weekly recipes. Today is about these hot dog breads made from pretzel dough. Combine the warm water with 1 tablespoon brown sugar and the yeast. Let it activate for 5 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons olive oil, and incorporate gradually the flour in 3 to 4 batches. After the first 2 batches, add 1 teaspoon of salt and continue kneading the dough until it has an elastic texture. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and knead the dough for 1 more minute. Cover and let it rise for 1 hour at room temperature until doubled in size. Once the dough is ready, remove it on the prepared table. Divide the dough in 4 equal pieces and start shaping the dough to form the hot dog buns. Cover them with a kitchen towel and let them rise until the boiling water is ready. Meanwhile, crack 1 egg and combine it with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Using a fork, mix them well. Bring the water to boil and then reduce it to minimum. Add the baking soda and then add the hot dog buns. Boil for 20 to 30 seconds on each part. Remove them with a slotted spoon or spatula to let the water drip off. Place onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Give them your preferred shape and cut the tops with a knife. Grease the tops with the egg mixture. Bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until they have a dark golden brown color. Remove them from the oven and let them cool completely before serving. With beer, of course. If you try my recipe, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more food inspiration. With love and gratitude, Adnana.